Alright, this is our second Epcot day. We got fun things planned. We're going to eat at Chef de France in the French Pavilion. Is it worth it? I don't know. We're going to find out. Let's go have a fun day at Epcot. Right after that intro, roll that intro.
I just want to see the light.
Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today, we're back at Epcot, and we're going to do some things we haven't done, like Guardians of the Galaxy. We're going to eat at Chef de France, and just ride rides and have a great time in the World Showcase. Let's get in there and have fun. Spaceship Earth is so amazing. But anyway, it's actually working today. Last time we were here, it was not working. Hopefully it stays up, because I hope to ride that today. This is like our first time in this like new, World Celebration Gardens or whatever. It's really pretty through here. They have, I bet this is really nice at night, and then I'll put in the picture of us, but we got our picture with Walt up there, because the new Walt statue's right up there. I love that they did that. But anyway, it's right next to Connections Cafe. There's like tables out here you can sit at and stuff like that, but it's a cool area. They also have a Encanto sing-along right there. It's like a kids dance / sing-along here. It's pretty cool. If you love Encanto, check it out. Even without a festival, Epcot is still beautiful. They still have all these planters everywhere. The trees are blooming. It's gorgeous. But they have all the new lands here, like World Discovery and World Nature. World Showcase didn't change. The World of Nature's where the Journey of Water is, and you go get Sword in the Land Pavilion over there too. And World Discovery's Guardians right over here. And just in case you've never been to Epcot or whatever, it sort of shows you here's like a map of where we just were. But like, you got Guardians of the Galaxy test track, which is going through a refurbishment right now, so we can't ride that. But then World Showcase has got all these different pavilions from all around the world, from Mexico to Norway to China. And then we got Germany, Italy, the America, Japan, Morocco, France. This is the international gateway back to the resorts, United Kingdom, and Canada. So that's kind of the layout of the land here, and this is huge. This will take you a good 30 to 45 minutes to walk around unless you're going fast. You can go fast around it, but if you're taking your time, it's going to take a while. But let's go check out the World Showcase, because we got to go back to Frozen, which is back here in the Norway Pavilion. They do also have some of these statues from like the 50th still here. So here's Pua and Hey Hey, and also our Magic Band wants us to do something. It's jiggling, but yeah, it's cool. I like that they left some of the statues here. And then Olaf is over here right next to Pua and Hey Hey. My Magic Band really wants me to open up the app and do the thing, but I'm not going to right now. But see the big Mayan pyramid back there? That means we're heading to the Mexico Pavilion. Now there is a big debate in the Disney community whether at Epcot you start at Canada or Mexico. Which one are you, Team Canada or Team Mexico? Let me know down there in the comments. Here's a better shot of the Mayan pyramid. It's beautiful, but also you can meet Jose, Panchito, and Donald and take the Grand Fiesta tour. It's a pretty cool boat ride.
This is Mexico's name. This way. Perhaps Mexico's name. This way. Excuse me. The show's about to start. Everyone. La música es mi lengua y el mundo es mi familia. Hello, world, everybody rock.
That's just one of those like little touches I love here at Epcot. It's not just always about riding the rides here for me. There's things to do, eating, drinking, and catching shows like Mariachi Cobre over there. They're great. Take a minute out of your day, take 5 minutes, relax, enjoy a great show. They put on an amazing show throughout the day. All right, we're leaving Mexico and heading into Norway because we have Frozen Ever After. So let's go ride Frozen Ever After.
Do you want to build a snowman? Elsa's made a magic winter show. They No! Like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. I'm so glad you came along!
Would you say that we're elated or gasping?
Let's just hope.
For my sister's magic night. Limits and breaks. No right, no rules for I want to play in that sky. You'll never see me cry. Let's all enjoy. Cold never bothered me anyway.
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense.
Here's the aftermath. If you sit in the front, left-hand side, you get super wet.
If you sat behind Nathan, you don't.
So in the gift shop, you got to stop by and say hi to the troll. It's at the end of the Frozen Ever After ride. It's a rule. But also, we kind of think it looks like Chrissy's dad a little bit. I didn't say it, she said it. So, I mean, I just went with it. From Norway to China. We're just going to walk through China at this moment, but we might be back later to explore. I don't know, all the pavilions are so beautiful through here. This is like truly one of my favorite things. You don't have to stand in a crowd or line to do anything. You can just walk around and enjoy these beautiful pavilions everywhere. See, I think I talked about this in the last Epcot video, how they take things in and out of here via the bridge. And guess what? The bridge is up right past China because they're taking out probably something for the fireworks show later tonight. I wonder how long this will take. We'll see. They're bringing out a friendship boat, it looks like. That's why the bridge was up, because it's going back down now. But I don't know if you can tell, but they're doing some lawn maintenance out there on the island. Got to keep everything looking pristine here at Disney. That includes the islands around World Showcase Lagoon. But anyway, I think we're heading over to the American Pavilion to see if we could grab a quick bite to eat. While we're here, we'll look at the Great Wall right there. See the bendy wall there by the China Pavilion that's supposed to replicate the Great Wall of China. It's such a pretty pavilion. And just like that, the bridge is back to normal and we can cross over to Africa. Right after the Africa outpost, you end up in Germany, which they have a Snow White meet and greet over there too. From Germany to Italy. You got like a fancy Italian place there. They also have a pizza place via Napoli. Pretty good. We ate there once. We like the pizza. We're on a mission to find food, so we're just taking the circle tour at the moment, and then we'll do some exploring later. Change of plans. We came back to the Italy Pavilion because Regal Eagle had a 50-minute wait. No, we're not doing that. The pizza window here at Via Napoli is open, so we're gonna get a slice of pizza for Nathan here. This is another good thing about World Showcase. You can just sort of like walk around and find random stands to get different types of food. Also, one other thing to note is when you go between the different countries, it's denoted in the concrete. Like, see, it's going from this to that. And now we're in the American Pavilion. Is that from the Aristocats? That is cute. Just like random things like that happening back in the World Showcase. I don't know, I love it. And like randomly, here's Rafiki in the American Pavilion. Seems like he should be in Africa, but it's cool. And from America, we just ended up in Japan. All right. Back here at the Katsura Grill in the lovely Japan Pavilion back here at Epcot. Got some pork ramen. It is delicious. Chrissy got the shrimp tempura udon, which is the udon noodles. Is that pretty good?
Yeah, it's really good. It's got good flavor.
She likes it. Got good flavor. This is kind of a hidden spot back here, but it is delicious. I always love this, like in the Japan Pavilion, looking back to Spaceship Earth down there. Also, side note, there's a glorious breeze today, which is making it feel so much better here at Epcot. But we're heading back to the front of the park up there to the right of Spaceship Earth to Guardians of the Galaxy. And from Japan, we're heading over the thing here into Morocco. So you can tell the ground changed again. We went to a different country. Morocco is definitely a beautiful pavilion. The only thing is they've just been taking so much out of here that it's not a whole lot in here. Restaurant Marrakesh used to be back there and it's no more, but Spice Road Table here is a great place to come and eat, and you can actually watch the fireworks from there. And we're in France now, and Les Chefs de France, that's where we're actually eating tonight, over here in the France Pavilion. Had a quick trip through Morocco. We're actually kind of on our way to Guardians right now, because that's our next lightning lane.
I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Stand by for teleportation. Here we go.
Nathan, give me your honest review of Guardians of the Galaxy. This was your first time on it. What did you think?
Probably my most favorite ride at Epcot now. It was fun. It was kind of intense, so if you don't like rides like that, don't ride it, but it is really fun and worth checking out, though. You do get kind of disorientated when you get off the ride.
What do you think of it, Chrissy?
It was really neat. Like he said, it's probably my all-time favorite ride that I've ever ridden. It was so smooth, but there was a little bit of G-force there. I don't know. If you have problems with that, don't do it.
Well, there you have it. Guardians is a win. All right, we're going to go meet Mickey and friends in their new building over here in Community Core Hall. So let's go meet some characters. Mickey and Friends is over here in World Celebration in the new Community Core Hall. All right, we're about to ride the big Epcot ball. Spaceship Earth. It's finally happening, hopefully. I don't want to jinx it. We haven't made it there yet, but hopefully we get a ride. Spaceship Earth. It was fun meeting Mickey, and Goofy is a definite vibe. I love Goofy. I just love the Imagination Pavilion and Figment. But anyway, we got off the Spaceship Earth. Now we're going back to France to eat at Chefs de France. let's go check in for our reservation here at Chef Stefan's. All right, here's sort of the menu. If you're on the dining plane, they have the prefix menu right there you can get, which is the appetizer and one of those entrees, a dessert, and a choice of those drinks. Or you can just order an entree and a dessert if you're on the dining plane, and then anything else would be extra. Oh, and you also get a cocktail too. But I don't know, just pause if you need to read. The menu's not huge. It's all in French, but I'm glad they have the English stuff underneath. But I think it all looks quite delicious. I don't know what to get there. This is going to be a hard one. I'll let you know in a second. I did go with the prefix menu, and I got the appetizer, entree, and a glass of wine. Start out with a French onion soup. It looks delicious, and I can confirm it tastes delicious. All right, gonna dig in. I got the braised beef. It looks delicious. The kids both got steaks, and Chrissy got the salmon. We'll let you know how it is in a second. Okay, I got this right here, the swan cream puff with vanilla ice cream, and that's what it looks like. It looks like an actual swan with vanilla ice cream in the middle and some sort of chocolate sauce on the bottom. Lauren got the, whatever this is, the 3-layer chocolate mousse cake, vanilla ice cream, and that looks beautiful. Almost too beautiful to eat, like, right? But we're going to try, just like Nathan, how he's murdering the swan right now. We're going to murder it and let you know how it is. So how was it? Chef Stefan's here in the France Pavilion. I am telling you, the food was delicious. And the one thing I will say is from the appetizer to the main to the dessert, every entree was like huge. Like that we had. You definitely spent a lot. It was spendy. It was like $281 was our total bill for everything, but the portion size was ginormous. Like I couldn't even finish my main, but I did finish the swan. It was delicious, and the chocolate sauce. I really enjoyed it. This was our first time here, and I definitely would suggest if you're looking for something a little international, give it a shot. What do you think, Lauren? Should they try Chef Stefan's when they're in Epcot?
Yes, they should.
There you go. We can't sum it up anymore. Just book it and try it. I just want to stop and admire how great Epcot is as the friendship boat drives up here. I hope you can hear this because it's a little windy, but I'll take windy in Florida at this time of year because it feels great. Watch the friendship boat go down World Showcase Lagoon right there. And the thing up there in the middle that looks like scaffolding, that's for the luminous fireworks show. They replaced the barge that was there before with that barge. I don't know that this one's any better. I wish they would just go back to the floating boats. But I mean, I get they can make this more of a grand show with that contraption than what they had before, but I don't know. It's a good show. We'll watch it. Maybe not tonight, but we'll watch it before we leave on this trip. But anyway, our next lightning lane is up front of the park, so we're going to make the trek back up that way. All right, from a journey into imagination to soaring around the world. We're back. We're going to take a tour with Soarin'. Okay, we go back to the hotel room here at the Grand, and they always do something cute. Look at this. They put Lauren's ears on a towel, and she got one over here too. Oh, this place is great. I love the Grand. But anyway, as you could tell, we forgot to end the video in Epcot. Oh, we were just tired after today, and we hopped into another minivan and came back to the resort. And when I got back to the hotel, I was like, you know what? I didn't end this video. Fail! But anyway, we had a great day at Epcot. I mean, Nathan and Chrissy got to ride Guardians for the first time ever. They said it was epic. Nathan said it was his new favorite ride on Disney property, so that's a high endorsement right there. We got to try Chef Stefan's, and it was delicious. You won't go hungry there. The portion sizes were huge. I don't know, we just had an all-around great day walking around Epcot and having fun doing what we do in Epcot. But I don't know. I hope you got something out of this video. Hope it gave you some ideas for things to do. See? We ate around the world too. Lauren had something from the American Pavilion. Then me and Chrissy had something from the Japanese Pavilion. And then we ate dinner in the France Pavilion. So we ate around the world. Oh, it was a great day. I love Epcot. People, sometimes think, oh, Epcot's just a boring park. There's not a lot of rides. But there is a lot of cool things to do at Epcot. So just give it a chance next time you're here at Walt Disney World. I think you'll love it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up here. But make sure you hang out just a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button down there. Any way you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. Alright, I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say, we defended the galaxy at Epcot down there in the comments to let me know you made it this far in the video. Alright, everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.